Good morning, everybody. It's the last day of November 2021. Bright and early here. Perfect storm trading. Yesterday's key timing zone worked out perfectly. We caught this low here right in between the two blue vertical lines I had drawn in our overlapping rectangles signifying the white and bright green timing window boxes. We moved out of there, bottomed out at about 46.20 and ran up to 46.70, so about a 50-point move, direct rocket shot. Really no counter move. Pretty much nice easy trade there. Looking at the Astro Excel first for today now. We had this upward move yesterday that we projected. We peaked out here last night late. Green line made a little double top and rolled over. You can see the market made a little double top in front of that and rolled over. We've got downward pressure into Thursday, early Thursday morning here now, with the corresponding blue line spikes. So let's go to the timing window for today, and we hit this early morning window right here where the white A1 overlapped the bright green A2. So the small box fine-tune the pivot inside the larger box. This is how you want to use this. Now what we've got going here is I've got two rectangles drawn. This indicates the time window between the white block here on the A2, and then we have another block on the B1. So we've got two separate blocks overlapping here, and then we've got the green block in the A1 panel to tighten up into that, and then we brought the other triggers from the other indicators over to see that was in this area. And where we're getting is kind of a wide zone today because there's quite a bit of stuff happening here. So between about 7:10 and 8:07 should be some sort of key uh, reversal in this area. So the general trend today's down. We've been down overnight. We're actually going to be down into Thursday. Of course, we're going to have the counter moves, so you can trade accordingly with that. So that's it for today. We'll be back again tomorrow with another video. We'll see you Wednesday.